Have you searched Southwest flights recently and gotten something that looks like this with basic fares completely unavailable? The new Southwest doesn't always have basic fares available. They seem to be unavailable on popular days and for close-in flights, but it depends a lot on what the route is that you're taking. This is Travel Award Search with quick tips on using the low fare calendar to see when basic fares are available and also to look at comparisons of choice fares if you're looking for those. So let's go back up in this instance and we search for December 21st, so you can imagine why that was unavailable. And this is going from Houston to Columbus in this example. So let's go to the low fare calendar. And the low fare calendar always defaults to the lowest fare in the fare type. But let's change that. You can select any fare type, so let's select basic. And now you can see how it's changed to show dates where basic fares are unavailable and dates where they are available. Let's also go back in this example. Today is August 22nd. So let's look at the close-in flights. And unavailable for the rest of August and well into September. Really unavailable for about 3 weeks. We tested a few different routes and the availability is quite different. So we'll show a couple examples. So now let's look at Los Angeles to Las Vegas. And in this instance, basic fares are available every day, even current day. Now, of course, it's pretty warm in Vegas in August, so that may change as you look at winter dates and we get further into the year. Now let's look at going from Chicago Midway to Denver. And in this case, flights are unavailable for the next week, but open after that in basic fares. So as you can see, it changes a lot by route, and the calendar is very useful in understanding where basic fares are available. Now you can do the same thing essentially by choosing choice and be able to compare the pricing on choice fares for different dates. This has been a quick tip from Travel Award Search about searching Southwest flights, using the calendar, and finding those basic fares. As always, travel wisely, travel well. Thank you.